Hi everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today, we are diving into swimmer rescue techniques, especially the swim and reach method, which is when a trainer rescuer enter the waters or assist a victim who cannot reach the shore on their own. The second one is reach technique in water. Once you are close, maintain a safe distance and extend the flotation device towards the victim. Let them grab it. Avoid direct body contact because of panicking. Victim may push you under the water. After they hold us securely, guide them back to safe using a controlled backstroke and side stroke, keeping the victim in front of you while maintaining the breath and balance. Remember, stay calm, communicate with the victim, and say, "Hold on, I got you. Just stay afloat." This assurance helps reduce panic and makes the rescue smoother. The goal is simple: reach them safely and keep distance. Let them hold the device and guide them back without risking your own safety.